Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best smart blenders for easy smoothie recipes that are available on the market for their true quality. If you're looking for the perfect blender for your needs, make sure to stick around for the full breakdown. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have something a little different. The Healthy, Quick and Easy Smoothies Recipe Book by Dana Angelo White. While this isn't a blender, it's a fantastic companion to any blender you already own. Priced at just $10.91, this book is a budget-friendly way to elevate your smoothie game. It features 100 no-fuss recipes that use 5 ingredients or fewer, all under 300 calories. The focus here is on simplicity and health, making it ideal for anyone looking to make quick, nutritious smoothies without the guesswork. The book is well organized, with recipes categorized by type, such as breakfast smoothies, workout recovery blends, and even dessert-like treats. Each recipe is clearly written and includes nutritional information, so you know exactly what you're consuming. The design of the book is clean, with vibrant photos of the recipes, which can be a great source of inspiration. While it doesn't offer the hands-on blending experience of the other products on this list, it's a valuable resource for getting the most out of your blender. This product is perfect for beginners or seasoned smoothie enthusiasts who want to add variety to their routine. On the downside, you'll need to pair it with a blender to fully utilize the recipes, and it doesn't provide any blending technology. However, for the price, it's an unbeatable addition to your kitchen library. If you're looking for affordable inspiration for your smoothies, this is a must-have. Coming in at number 4 is the CKMO Portable Blender, a compact and rechargeable option that's perfect for people on the go. This cordless blender is designed with portability in mind, featuring a 13.5-ounce capacity and a sleek, BPA-free build. It's equipped with stainless steel blades and a powerful motor capable of blending ice, nuts, and fibrous greens into creamy perfection. Whether you're at the office, the gym, or traveling, the CKMO makes it easy to enjoy fresh smoothies wherever life takes you. One standout feature is its dual safety protection system, which ensures the blender only operates when the cup is securely attached. This reduces the risk of spills and accidents, a thoughtful touch for a portable device. The one-touch controls and USB-C rapid charging make it incredibly user-friendly. You can charge it with a power bank, laptop, or wall adapter, so you'll never run out of juice. Cleaning is also a breeze. The cup is dishwasher safe, and the blade section can be rinsed under running water. However, there are some trade-offs to consider. With a capacity of just 13.5 ounces, it's best suited for single servings rather than meal prep. Additionally, its power, while sufficient for most smoothies, may struggle with heavy-duty tasks like crushing large amounts of ice. Overall, the CKMO Portable Blender is a convenient, lightweight option for anyone who values mobility and ease of use over raw power. It's perfect for quick smoothies on the go, but not ideal for larger households or more complex recipes. Taking the third spot is the PowerXL SensiMax Blender, which combines power and smart technology at a mid-range price of $56.99. With its 1500-watt motor and 6-tip turbo crush blade, this blender is a powerhouse that can handle everything from smoothies to soups. Thanks to its smart sensing technology, the blender automatically detects the type of ingredients you're using, whether frozen or fresh, and adjusts its speed and power for perfect consistency. This hands-free operation takes the guesswork out of blending, saving you time and effort. Design-wise, the PowerXL features a sleek black finish and comes with a 72-ounce main pitcher and a 24-ounce personal blending jar for on-the-go use. The 3 smart functions, Ice Crush, Smoothie, and Chop, make it versatile, while the 10-speed controls give you plenty of customization options. One of its standout features is its quieter blending technology, which makes it ideal for households where noise can be an issue. Cleanup is also hassle-free, as all components are dishwasher safe. On the downside, the size of the unit is relatively bulky, making it less suitable for smaller kitchens with limited counter space. While the smart sensing technology is a game changer, The blender lacks advanced presets beyond its three main functions. Overall, the PowerXL SensiMax blender is a great choice for families or individuals who need a versatile, high-capacity blender that doesn't break the bank. In the runner-up spot, we have the Conciote CB08 16-piece blender and grinder combo. At $33.89, this blender offers incredible value for money. Its 900-watt motor, paired with a unique asymmetric blade design, ensures efficient blending, whether you're tackling frozen fruits or grinding coffee beans. With a speed of up to 25,000 RPM, the Conciote makes quick work of smoothies, purees, and even baby food. This 16-piece set includes 4 BPA-free to-go cups, 2 blade attachments, and a cleaning brush, making it one of the most versatile options on this list. The thoughtful design features micro switches for hands-free operation, non-slip suction feet for stability, and overheat protection for safety. The self-cleaning function is another highlight. Just add soap and water, and the blender cleans itself in seconds. The Conciote CB08 is perfect for small households or individuals who want a reliable multifunctional blender on a budget. However, it's not as powerful as some high-end models, and the plastic build may not be as durable in the long term. For its price point, though, it's hard to beat the combination of features and functionality it offers. And finally, claiming the top spot is the Ninja SS101 Foodie Personal Smoothie Maker. At $109.99, this premium blender is packed with advanced features that make it worth every penny. Its 1200-watt motor, paired with smart torque technology, can handle heavy loads without stalling, whether you're making thick smoothie bowls, nut butters, or frozen drinks. The Auto IQ technology takes the guesswork out of blending, offering 6 preset programs for one-touch blending, pulsing, and more. The Ninja comes with a 24-ounce nutrient extraction cup and a 14-ounce smoothie bowl maker, both of which are dishwasher-safe for easy cleanup. The design is sleek and compact, making it a great fit for most kitchens. It also includes to-go lids, so you can take your creations with you. The hybrid edge blades are incredibly durable and ensure smooth, consistent results every time. While it's on the pricier side, the Ninja SS101 is the ultimate choice for anyone who wants professional-grade results at home. Its versatility, ease of use, and exceptional performance make it a standout product. The only downside is the price. But if you're serious about smoothies and blending, it's an investment you won't regret. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.